Want to delete your Fortnite account for good? Here's how to do it step by step. First, go to epicgames.com and log into your Epic Games account. Once you're logged in, click your profile name and select Account from the drop-down. Alternatively, you can go to the Epic Games Launcher, click on your profile, and select Account. In the Account and Settings page, scroll down to the very bottom. Look for the Delete Account section and click Delete Account. Check your email for a confirmation code, then enter it back to the site. Keep in mind this action is permanent. All progress, purchases, and data will be erased. Once you're ready, click on Continue and your account will be permanently removed. If you change your mind after requesting deletion, you have 14 days to reactivate your account by logging into it. If you do not reactivate it, after 14 days, the deletion process is irreversible. For more quick Fortnite tips, don't forget to like and follow.